Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you what is, in my opinion, the best legit way to make money online. Now, there's a lot of different ways to make money online. You can do a service business. You can sell stuff like e-commerce. There's eBay, Amazon, Shopify. There's drop shipping. We can go on and on. But what I want to tell you today is there's a way you can start with $0, no investment, today and start making money. Now, you're probably thinking everything costs money. You can't make money if you don't spend money. And yes, that is true in a way, but today I'm going to show you how you can do it for $0. So what I want to show you is this right here. This is a simple landing page, one that I created. I'm going to show you actually 3 different ones. This one, it says the only reseller's guide you need, 10 extremely profitable items resellers must watch for. I'm not saying go get this. What I'm telling you is this one right here, and I'll put a link to the 3 things, these 3 guides. This one, and this one. I'll put a link to all 3 of these pages. What I'm telling you to do is go and offer these pages to people. I bet you're confused, right? Right. So here's what you do. I'm going to give you those 3 landing pages. I'm going to give you the exact pages, the exact templates. It's a funnel. It's called ClickFunnels. And most people think ClickFunnels costs $100 a month. Well, it doesn't. ClickFunnels, yes, for if you want the base package, it does. But there's something called a shared funnels package, which is only $19 a month. Now, this is something that you can get for free today, 14-day trial, and then after 14 days, it costs you $19 a month. But here's how you make money from it. Let me show you this. So, if you want this funnel right here, this page, okay, you can see right here, this is my ClickFunnels account. It has the opt-in page, has 1 upsell, a checkout page, and a confirmation page. If I were to click on settings over here, the page is going to look like this. Down here it says share this funnel URL. You take this URL, you give it to somebody that wants to get some leads. For example, I just went to Google and I typed in 50 best network marketing companies of 2018, and it brought up this 50 best marketing companies. So here's what you do. You find people that are promoting for Monet, Sensi, doTERRA, Young Living, Genesee, Rodana Fields, Digital Altitude, Advocare. I think this company's out of business, so not them. Advocare, Primerica, Motor Club of America. Okay, here's the reason why I'm showing you. If you've been in business long, or if you've ever done network marketing or affiliate marketing, or you've tried to get into real estate or something like that, or just sales in general, that requires leads. One of the biggest pitfalls that people struggle with is they can't get leads. They don't know how to do it. They don't have the platform to collect those leads and then later on retarget them, send them an email, send them a text message, send them something in the mail. They can't do it because they don't have a way to capture that lead. That's what these landing pages do. This one right here, give me this free resellers guide. This one right here, a free guide on getting making more money with YouTube. This one right here is a guide on getting approval lists from Amazon for selling an Amazon FBA. So all these guides have a different purpose. And if you look here, this one right here, you can have the opt-in. There's an upsell page where you can actually make money from this. There's a checkout page where they obviously pay you, and then the confirmation where you give them the thing that they paid for. This one right here, it's an opt-in page, a thank you page, but then on the thank you page I have a thing where you can actually order a guide from me, which is $7, and then there's a confirmation page. This one right here, all it is the opt-in page and a thank you page, okay? And then obviously you share that with them. You go over to settings inside any one of these, okay? I'd go over to settings on either one of these, okay? And so once I do that, I can then take this thing right here, this URL, and here's what it's going to look like. Looks like this, okay? Now, I told you can get this for $19 a month. It doesn't cost you the normal $97 like most people think. So I'm going to go put an email address, a password, and click start my free trial, and then watch this. So I just went in, put in my name and email address, okay? And then I clicked on, get the 14-day free trial. Here's what you need to know. Right here, it's trying to get you to sign up for the Edison suite, which comes with ClickFunnels, Backpack, and Actionetics. You don't need that to start. It's really good, but you don't need it to start. This one right here is the kind of the base package, which gives you everything except for ActionX and Backpack, but it lets you do sales funnels, webinars, membership sites, all that stuff. But right here at the very top, they have something called Limited Shared Funnels Only. This allows you the share funnel only limited plan, 3 funnels that are shared with you. So in the description box below, I gave you those 3 funnels, okay? You can have every single one of those 3. You can only edit and use these funnels without the ability to add new ones or new pages. This is the reason why I gave you 3, is because now you can edit those and then you can go into the settings and share those with other people. This is why you can make money, and this is the best part about it. All right, so here's the best part about ClickFunnels and giving away. So you go and you edit the page and you give it to people that are selling some of these things. That are selling Advocate of America, Motor Club of America. And in just a second, I'm going to show you how to go and find those people. But the cool part about it is ClickFunnels pays you 40% monthly recurring commission. So what does that mean? So if you sell something to somebody for the $19 a month, okay? Exactly what I'm showing you, all right? $19, you can make $7.60 every single month. If on average you get somebody that pays for 4 months, okay, every single person that signs up, you're gonna get about $30. If you sign up, 25 people, okay, you make $760, and all you spent was a $19 per month investment. Okay, pretty simple, right? And that's what I'm talking about. That's why it's so easy. In addition to that, if those people decide that they want to continue with this, they want to do a little bit more, okay, and they want to get into the affiliate side of things, okay, one of the things that you get is you get 5% of what they sell. So if they make $1,000, okay, off what they sell, you're gonna get 5%. So you'd make 50 bucks. Not a lot of money, but it's a little bit here and there. Here's the other cool thing. Once you sign up for ClickFunnels, and I'm telling you, all you gotta do is go and get these shared funnels. Okay, even if you already have ClickFunnels yourself, go and get these. They work. Okay, I've been using them myself. So right here, if you didn't know this, go into the ClickFunnels area, go into your affiliate dashboard, and in there you can sign up for the affiliate bootcamp right here, which is a cool thing. I highly recommend it. Even if you have been doing affiliate marketing for a while, I highly recommend it. It really helps out, all right? So I talked about how this business works, that you get the shared funnels from me, okay? So go take them, and then you can go and you can edit them. You can change my pictures off them. You can change the wording and change colors. It's just drag and drop. It's really easy to use, okay? ClickFunnels has a lot of tutorials that you can follow. So we went over that. I also went over how you can get ClickFunnels for only $19 per month, right? So make sure you go and watch that. I also showed you what I recommend doing, okay? You go and you sign people up, give them the $19 per month plan. You only make $7.60 a month, but it's those little bits that count, okay? Yeah, you can make a lot more money if they sign up for the bigger programs, but you do not need to, okay? If you sell a lot of these small ones to all these people, okay, just like this, if you can find one person for every single one of these 50 network marketing companies, or even 2 people, that's 100 different people. 100 people paying you $7.60 a month, so you're making $760 every single month because it's recurring, okay? Gotta understand that it's a recurring commission. As long as they're a member, as long as they pay their $19 a month plan, you make the $7.60. Maybe they upgrade to the $97 plan, you then make $38. If they upgrade to the $297 plan per month, you make $118 recurring commission every single month. Now, here's how you go and find these people. First off, go and get this list. Okay, it's a free list. Just go to Google, type in best network marketing companies of 2018, 2019, 2020, whatever year it is. Okay, and then go and type in these things. Okay, you see what you can find here. Here's one of the things I've done. I used to do. I don't do it anymore now. But is I would join different groups that would talk about affiliate marketing, network marketing, multi-level marketing, MLM, stuff like that. And I would go in, I joined these groups, and when people would ask, oh, I'm struggling, how do you get your first, 10 leads? How can I build a deeper downline? How can I build a wider downline? Stuff like that. I'd go in and answer their questions and also tell them, this is what I do. And this was back before I was really promoting ClickFunnels, doing all that, but now it's so easy Because now all you have to do is share the funnel that you created with them. If this is the funnel that I created and they want this one, okay, this is the one that's going to work for Market Club of America or Primerica, I'm going to go in and share this funnel with them. And then once they sign up, that's when I make the money. Here's another way, and this is the way I love doing, okay? Let me show you how it works. So I came in and I typed in how to sell Pampered Chef. You can do the exact same thing with any of these companies. How to sell Rodan and Fields. How to build a downline in Motor Club of America. How to build a downline in Amway. How to build a downline in Level, OmniLife, Wealthy Affiliate, Pampered Chef, Market America. Okay, all these things. How to sell Pampered Chef. Here's what I recommend doing. So what I would do is I'd come here to YouTube and I would find a video that has been done somewhat recently. So this one that was done 3 years ago, I'm probably not going to go into this video. This one that was done 4 months ago, I probably will. How to start a business, Pampered Chef. All right, let's click on that. All right, so we clicked on this one. Okay, you see it right here. This is the one we clicked on, is that one right there, by Pampered Chef. So one of the things you want to do is you want to come in here, and if they are selling the business opportunity side of it, then you can actually reach out to them. You click on their name right here, and there's going to be an About Me page. Go and send them an email, send them a message, or come down to the comment section. So this one right here that says let it roll 2 days ago. The nice thing about this is you can come over here and see if they have any kind of contact information. Try to send them a message, okay? Because the reason why you send them messages and you let them know, hey, I think I can help you. I saw your comment you left on the How to Start a Business by Pampered Chef. I think I have something that you could really benefit from. And to be 100% honest, probably 75% of the people that you send message to are never going to reply. Okay, the people that do reply, those 25%, there may only be one person out of, let's say you do 100 messages, 25 people get it, only one person might really be interested. So you do a lot of work, but that's the reason why I'm showing you something that is a recurring commission. You don't make the money one time. It's every single month. They are a member. They're a paying member of ClickFunnels. You make your money. Now, here's another cool thing. Okay, is that's just one video. Look at all these videos here. Okay, so that was one video. Here's another one. Pampered Chef review. Consider joining the Pampered Chef opportunity. Watch this first. Maybe you can actually come here and you can help this guy out. I have no clue. Okay, if there was a comment by somebody else, great. We could have contacted them. So that's probably not the best example. Here's this one right here. Another Pampered Chef top earner secrets. How to become a top producer in Pampered Chef. Okay, so this one right here, good video. There's a reply. Who replied? Oh, he did. So what we could do 6 months ago, come over here, click on this person's name. Here, I'll just do that really quick. So there we go. I clicked on their name, and I'm at their home place. Click on About, and you can see there's a Google Plus account. I can go and click on that, and then try to contact them through there. Or maybe, hopefully, they have a Facebook page, or I can just go back to their name, and if I type that in on Facebook, hopefully the guy pops up. I have no clue. But you got to try to do different ways to reach out to these people. Now, let me give you one more tip. My guess is you know somebody that promotes some of this stuff. Maybe it's Avon, maybe it's whatever it is. You can reach out to that person on Facebook, physically go to their house and let them know the opportunity that you have available to them. One of the things that I do is I go and reach out to a lot of these, they're just starting out. Okay, they're just starting out with multi-level marketing. They have no clue how to get things going or anything like that. And so I show them how to get leads. One thing I didn't show you in this video is how you set up an email autoresponder with ClickFunnels to make it really work, jive, and they just got to get the people to that page. And once they're on that page, they put in their email address. There's a series of emails that get sent to them day after day after day. Now, if you want me to show you exactly how to do that, if you want my tips on how to structure your emails, how to get people to not only become leads, but how to sell them, what I like to do, if you want all that stuff, first you got to sign up using my links, obviously, but then I'm going to send you all that stuff, okay? You just send me an email to homemadeentrepreneur@gmail.com, and I'll send you all that information on how to get leads, how to make sales, and how to promote ClickFunnels as a business, okay? And it's really easy. Once you get going, you're going to see it sounds difficult right now, but once you get the hang of it, once you see how easy it is to push this, being that you already created the page for somebody, okay, I already created the 3 pages for you. Go and get all 3 of them, okay? But once you see how easy it is to create the page, move stuff around, change the text, change colors, you're going to see why people will pay $19 a month for this when they don't have to worry about anything else. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Here to help you any way that I can.